Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles, your favorite doodle channel, I hope. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a unicorn. So this was a request from a awesome subscriber. So don't forget folks that if you have anything that you'd like to see me draw, let me know in the comments below and I would love to draw it. Okay, so our unicorn is going to be standing up on their two back legs, and they're going to have their other two front legs up in the air, and it's going to be cool. All right, so I'm going to start with the unicorn's face. So I'm going to work on some ears first. So just going up and coming on down. A little line like that. So we got one ear. And then so we've got a really long face. Okay, nice long line like that. And now we've got a shape like that for the eye. That. Maybe a few little eyelashes. And we can put a little circle in that eye and color the rest in black. All right, so now we're down here at the nose. So we got like a little nostril kind of situation here. And then just down from that, we've got the little mouth. And then we curve up a little bit. And then he's got a bottom of his mouth is kind of like that. And we little line like there. And we're gonna come on up and round it here. Coming on in for his cheek. And let's give him like a little smile. A little unicorny smile, just a little one. And we can't forget that horn. So let's put it like right here. Most important part of a unicorn. Can't forget the horn. All right, so I'm going to work my way down the horse's neck here. I said horse, but I mean unicorn. We got that horn. All right, and now we're coming on the other side here, and we're gonna thicken up the neck. So the further down we go, the thicker the unicorn's neck is gonna be. Okay, so this is like the unicorn's back, where some lucky person would ride on the unicorn. And then we got right here a little unicorn bum. And now we've got some back legs. So flat here for the hoof. Bottom of the hoof, and then come on up. Like that. Do kind of a, almost like a squiggly line like that. And then right here, we're gonna have one of the front hooves. One of the front arms, front legs. All right, so now we need a second back leg. And come on down. and then flat for the bottom of that hoof. And we come on in here. And then we need another front hoof. So this one's raised up a little bit higher than the other one. All right, so each hoof, I'm gonna have a little line going across so we know where the cutoff is between what would be black hoof and what would be unicorn. So I'm gonna do that here on the bottom, for the bottom hooves as well. Now we are missing tail and the mane. So let's see. And do some long bits of hair, just long strands. And up here, some long wavy strands. Going far down. Okay, so before I start coloring, I'm going to take a black marker and I'm going to outline all around my unicorn, and I think that really helps to make the picture pop. So I'm going to outline everything, and then when I have that done, I'm going to add my color, and then I'm going to put some color in the background. So we'll probably speed that up. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of our unicorn. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day. And I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody. Bye.